So for that, we assign and distribute the IP address with this for calculation. This is the address 192.168.30.0/24 divided in 4 subnets. A connection to PCA with 2 hosts that need it, and the rest. And the last subnet is unusual. In the generation, we can see the net range or IP. This is the network. This is the subnet max generate. And this is the IP address that we can use on the configuration of CLI on Cisco Packet Tracer. This is for the first LAN router by PCA, router A, PCA. This is for router B, PCB. And this is the connection between router A and router B. The IP address assigned to this router 192.168.30.1 and subnet mask 255.255.252, and the gateway is the same 192.168.30.1. And we can see in the next PCA the consecutive in 192.168.30.2. You can see that is, in this case, 1, 2, and router to router is 5, 6, and router B, PCB, the change is finishing 9, then 10, because this is the IP address generated by the calculator VLSM. You can see here in CLI, and the system is prepared for the connection in INFA interface center Ethernet. Was changing here 00 was connect with this IP address. The INFA was connect with this IP address in INFA, and in SE we connect the serial port 000 with this address 30.5. finish it. This is the configuration in this router. We adding one clock rate 64,000 in this router because this is the ending of the cable. We can show to have a clock. What this clock show when the connection is not yet. Well, we are still in programming with the configuration in the router. We can see with the configuration in FA 00 is the connection of the PC to router with this address finishing 30.9. This is the same gateway of the router, and is the IP assigned to this router B, with the subnet max finishing 252 generated by the system, the right IP address with subnet mask, and finish with not shutdown. You can see here the change of the connection of int SE 00001. Why 0001? because in this router the connection of this cable was in the serial 000, and in this router B the connection was in 0001. Configure the routers. So here we can see the IP add by the router B, finishing 36 is the other address, IP address assigned by the system with the subnet mask that shut down, the software access, this port we can see, port serial port 001 changed, and we can see all the cables in green because before was in red. You can see these arrows change in green. This indicates that the systems are connected. Here it is not necessary to put clock rate 6400 because the ending of the cable is in the router A. But then we can apply the EIGRP protocol.
My name is Alex Ochoa, and in today's video
I'll
be showing you how to design and configure an IP address runs by
the address of the assigned by the
4 different subnets.
routers.
Then we'll connect all of those subnets together in the most efficient way possible by implementing both AEGRP and OSPF routing protocols.
These commands
Finally,
apply the
we'll verify that everything is working correctly by performing end-to-end connectivity tests using ping from one PC to another across the network.
And the way
At
for
the end of this video, you understand how subnetting, dynamic routing, and network verification work together to create a reliable and efficient network infrastructure. So let's get started.
Open command prompt. So with the command ping, we can text the system if the packets are sending correctly. We can put in this, we will open the configuration in desktop of PCA. And we go to prove if the packets or the information are sending correctly to PCB. For that, we open the configuration here. We open the desktop, open Z, and we go to ping the next IP address. Test the connection 192.168.30.10. So back here we go to check again, enter, and the answer is the request is very well. The number of packets, second send 3. We want that to check again. Ping 192.168.30.10. We can see that the packet was sending full complete. Well, finally we go to explain or apply the OSPF protocol. We can see the application of this protocol. The command is router OSPF1. Then we put the IP address of the red 192.168.30.0 with this subnet mask. This subnet mask is the result between the rest between 255 less 252. The result is 3. Area 0. Always is area 0. The next network connection is 192.168.30.4. Is the red before of 5 using for the IP of cable connection of router B. Then exit. It's very simple. We can see the system offset, the change of protocol, console by console. And now we want to see what protocols we can apply here in the software. For that we use the command show IP protocol, and the system shows us the protocol using in this software with all the specifications. First EIGRP 1 and then OSPF 1. And now we go proceed to ping the system. This laptop, all we can see the packets sending this laptop to this IP laptop. We open the command prompt and we ping 192.168.30.10. We can see all the host and all the packets working correctly. And now we go to check the opposite. Open this, the command prompt, ping 192.168.30.2 is the address of this left side of PC8, and enter. We can see that the system is working very well.